Imagine having to record attendance for 20, 50, or even hundreds of students or employees every single day. Then, at the end of the month, term, or semester, you still have to count how many days each person was present or absent, calculate attendance percentages, and prepare reports manually. Sounds exhausting, doesn't it? Well, what if I told you there's a smarter way to do it? A solution that automates all of those calculations and saves you hours of work. Yes, you heard that right. Stay with me throughout this video because I'm about to show you an attendance tracker that can eliminate that stress once and for all. Hello everyone, and welcome back to OB Learning Hub. In today's video, I'll be introducing you to a dynamic, user-friendly attendance tracker built entirely in Microsoft Excel. It's designed primarily for schools, but it can easily be customized for offices, organizations, churches, training institutions, or anywhere attendance needs to be monitored. The tracker is fully automated with drop-down lists, formulas, and dynamic calculations, meaning your only responsibility is to mark attendance. Everything else happens automatically. Let's take a look at how it works. We'll begin with the back data sheet. This is where all the setup is done. Here, you'll enter the names of your students or staff, the start and end dates for each term or semester, any holidays that fall within the academic period. Providing this information allows the workbook to calculate attendance accurately and generate reliable statistics throughout the term. Now let's move to the main attendance interface. This is where you'll record attendance for each month within the selected term. The interface includes several helpful features. First, you'll notice the attendance cells, where you simply mark whether a student or employee is present or absent. These cells are color-coded, making it easy to identify attendance at a glance. At the top, the tracker automatically displays the correct month and year for the selected period. As attendance is recorded each day, Excel automatically counts the total number of days each student has been present or absent. If your school or organization conducts Saturday classes, you can also record Saturday attendance separately, without affecting the official school day attendance. And don't worry if you accidentally enter attendance on a Sunday. The tracker is intelligent enough to ignore those entries, so they won't affect your attendance calculations. As you continue marking attendance, the dashboard automatically updates the total number of students absent for that day. It also displays important information such as the start and end dates of the selected term, the total number of actual school days, non-school days, public holidays, the total number of calendar days, the total number of weeks within the term. The current date is dynamic and updates automatically, making it easy to monitor your progress as the term approaches its end. Here are a few more features you'll appreciate. If you're moving into a new month, simply duplicate the attendance sheet and change the month. The tracker will automatically adjust to the new period. The term selection is controlled using a drop-down list. Once you choose a different term, the start and end dates update instantly based on the information entered in the back data sheet. To make daily attendance even easier, the current date is automatically highlighted, allowing you to quickly identify where to record attendance. And perhaps the best part, this attendance tracker is reusable. Once you've set it up, you can continue using it year after year by simply updating your student list, term dates, and holidays. No rebuilding, no repetitive calculations. Just fast, accurate, and stress-free attendance management every single term. If you find this workbook useful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to OB Learning Hub, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss future Excel tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.